Greetings from Unlocking Our Voices podcast. I said I would often stay quiet in terms of what's going on the African continent now in regards to the coup d'etat that has taken place in Niger. But knowing who I am and what I believe in terms of Pan-Africanism, it is important that we understand why the coup has taken place in Niger and why military leaders in Burkina Faso and Mali and other African francophone states are willing to stand with Niger. For too long, Africa has been neo-colonialized by France and by Europe and by the United States. African people want to be free. And so the coup that has taken place in Niger, I welcome such coup, as long as those leaders are not looking to oppress its people, but want to make sure that the minerals and the natural resources of those countries can benefit African people in those states, in those African countries. Africa must be free, and the people must benefit from its natural resources. For too long, the West has exploited African nations, and it is important that West African nations support Niger and that they support Burkina Faso and that they support Mali, that any military intervention into Niger, black people that are African conscious and Pan-Africanists must stand with Niger to defend Niger against colonialism and neocolonialism. It is a disgrace to see that Niger produce so much uranium, but yet still the vast majority of its people don't have proper electricity, running water, or that they are benefiting from the natural resources. Yes, the West will come. Yes, they will try to divide African nations. But we must stand tall, we must stand strong, and understand that this divide and conquer strategy have been working far too long. And it is for us to unite as African people because we want to live free and we want to enjoy life like all other human beings on this planet. We stand with you, Niger. We stand with you, Burkina Faso. We stand with you, Mali. And we stand with all who wants a Pan-African and united Africa. One love. Stay strong, Niger.